Okay, today we're going to talk about classified triangles by their angle measures and side lengths. Use triangle classification to find angle measures and side lengths. Recall that the triangle is a polygon with three sides. Triangles can be classified in two ways: by their angle measures and by their side lengths. Okay, so we have triangle ABC here with segments AB, BC, and AC, and with vertices A, B, and C. Triangle classification by angle measures. Acute triangle. When you have an acute triangle, you have three acute angles. Students, remember, acute angles mean that they're less than 90 degrees. When you have an equiangular triangle, all three angles are congruent and they are acute. And when you have a right triangle, you know that you have one right angle. And when you have an obtuse triangle, you know you have one obtuse angle. Obtuse is one angle measurement that is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180. Let's classify this triangle BDC by its angle measures. Okay, so we've got BDC. BDC. Okay, so measurement of angle B is 100 degrees. Measurement of angle C is 10 degrees. So how can we classify this triangle by the angle measures? Well, you've got one obtuse angle. Therefore, this triangle is an obtuse triangle. Now we're going to classify triangle ABD. ABD. Okay, so measurement of angle A equals 80 degrees. Measurement of angle D equals 20 degrees. So we need to find the measurement of angle ABD. This angle right here. Okay? Well, would you agree that angle measurement of ABD plus the measurement of DBC equals 180 degrees? Why? Because these two angles right here are linear pair. And you all know that a linear pair equals 180 degrees. So let's substitute in. We're trying to find this angle measure. DBC is 100. Subtract your 100 out. So the measurement of that missing angle is 80 degrees. So we have 80 degrees, 20 degrees, 80 degrees. Therefore, triangle ABD is an acute triangle. Classify FHG. FHG. Okay, so measurement of angle F is 60 degrees, and so is the measurement of angle G. We need to find the measurement of angle FHG. This angle right here. Okay, would you agree that this angle plus measurement of angle EHF equals 90 degrees? Definition of right angles. Because you've got this right angle symbol. So these two angles added together is going to give you a right angle. All right, let's substitute in. So we're trying to find FHG. Measurement of EHF is 30, and this is 90. So let's subtract out. Okay, so we have three angles that are acute, and they are all congruent. Therefore, triangle FHG is equiangular. Okay, now we're going to classify the triangles by the side lengths. Equilateral triangle, 3 congruent sides. You know all sides are congruent because of your red tick marks. Isosceles triangle has at least 2 congruent sides. You know they are congruent because of the tick marks. Scalene triangle has no congruent sides. When you look at a figure, you cannot assume segments are congruent based on appearance. They must be marked as congruent, or they must have their measurements listed. Classify triangle EHF. EHF. Okay, so segment EF equals 10 because of the markings, and so does segment FH. Segment EH equals 12. So we've got 2 sides that are congruent. Triangle EHF is an isosceles triangle. Now we're going to classify triangle EHG. EHG. Okay, so segment EH equals 12. Segment HG equals 11. Segment EG equals segment EF plus segment FG because of your segment addition postulate. So segment EG is going to equal 10 plus 4, which is 14. So we've got measurements 12, 11, 14. No congruent sides. So this triangle is a scalene triangle. Last one, find the side lengths of triangle JKL. We've got 2 tick marks. This is an isosceles triangle. 2 segments are congruent. So what we can do is we can set up JK equal to KL because of the markings. We can substitute in. We can subtract out, isolate that variable x. Once you find out what your value of x is, you need to substitute in to find each segment. JK equals 4x minus 10.7. So we're going to substitute in 8.5. Therefore, JK equals and then JL equals okay, so I'm going to write my answer up here on top. JK equals 23.3, and so does KL. JL equals 44.5. That's it.